Look at that boar. That's what we're eating today. Welcome back, guys. Another episode in the beautiful Swedish nature. Today's gonna be a great day. I have some really exciting beers. One stout and two barley wine beers. I never tried that before. So we will cook some liver stew from wild boar liver. So it's gonna be great. Let's start with the stove and make a little fire and start with the food and have a beer. Sounds great. Let's start with the beer. It's a bourbon barrel aged barley wine. I never drank barley wine before, so I don't know what to expect really. It's from OO Brewing Gothenburg, batch 500 Castagna, 15.2%. So it's strong. Let's open this one. Yeah. Skål. Oh, that's really good. That's almost like a... Wow, that's really, really good. Almost like a stout. Similar. So... This was pretty expensive. 70 kronor for 33 centiliter. Yeah, very, very good. Very good. Start by cutting the potato. Wash it off a little bit. Some bacon. Some leek. This barley wine beer might just be my new favorite beer. It's really, really, really good. Tastes like a mix between a stout and wine, something like that. It's really good. Skål. Take it off the potato and put on the bacon. Let's try the second beer. It's from Ringo. It's a Mordor Morning Stout. It's a coffee maple syrup imperial stout, 13%, so also pretty strong. Let's open it. I drank that other Ringo in the last episode. It was really good, so this will probably be equally good. Yeah, a lot of coffee and syrup. Put in some flour. Put in some cream. And some broth. Water. Cut some parsley. A little bit of brown sugar. Let's try this. Put some parsley. And some bacon. It's beautiful wild boar liver. Let's grub down. It's really good. I think liver has a bad reputation. People don't like it, but it's equal to any other part of the animal. If you cook it right, it's delicious. Hey. This was really good, but also the barley wine, that was amazing. I didn't know what to expect, but it was sweet, it was delicious. But this one also, the Ringo, is so good. Wow. Oh, that was good. That was really good. If you make a good liver stew, there's nothing wrong with it. It's really, really good with a great stout. Let's smoke a cigar. I have this, let's see, this Matilde. It's supposed to be pretty creamy. Yeah, it's a Matilde Renacer. I don't know, I probably pronounced that wrong. It's a Robusto. So let's fire this up and have the last beer with that. I'm gonna show you. This is the last beer. It's this one, caramel couture. I don't know. I'm not English. It's a barley wine from Billdale, 9.5%. Also pretty expensive. I think it's supposed to be with some taste of toffee, caramel, and some chocolate. Yeah, let's light the cigar and have the last beer. Really exciting. Very promising. A little bit peppery, very creamy, not too heavy. It's pretty easy to smoke. Let's open the last beer. Yeah, smells very sweet. Skål. Wow. Yeah, very much caramel, toffee, fudge. Very, very good. I think barley wine is, yeah, probably one of my new favorite beers. I don't know why I haven't tried it before, but it's just super delicious. Really good cigar. Very creamy and smooth. Perfect with the combination of the barley wine beer, the caramel. This is what it's all about. Just enjoying life, enjoying nature. Oh, finding great joy in the simple things. It's amazing. Great cigar, really. Very tasty. So guys, that was a great trip. Even though it's only for the day, it's really great to just get out in the woods and cook some food, drink some good beers, smoke a cigar, just enjoy yourself. It doesn't have to be an overnight. This is better than nothing. So I hope you enjoyed this short little episode, and I hope you find some inspiration to go out and camp, or just go out for the day. Just go out and cook and enjoy yourself and listen to the birds and have a great time. Yep. Thank you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Skål!